So guys, yes, the title is correct. I've made 365 videos and I learned one super important thing that if you guys can take away from this video, I think will change the entire trajectory of your YouTube channel and journey to make it where you can bypass and skip a lot of steps that I wish I would have known from the beginning. So stick around to the end of the video. You guys will learn all about it. And I promise you, if you're trying to be a YouTuber, take it from somebody like me. Of course, I'm not the hugest YouTuber, but as somebody who has 6,000 subscribers and I do have overall 1 million video views, I do know a couple things about YouTube and I can teach you something. So stick around. Now, let me ask you a question. What do you think is the most important thing on YouTube? You guys have probably seen a wide variety of videos. You've seen the super edited and concept heavy Mr. Beast style videos of having like these grand concepts, challenges, having all these YouTubers in it and all these crazy titles and thumbnails. And then you guys have probably seen other styles of videos that are super simple as well. The new big thing on YouTube is the just talking style video, kind of similar to what I'm doing right now, is where you just hop in front of the camera and you just press record and you start talking, and then whatever comes to mind, you just let it flow. And yeah, that's like the new kind of wave on YouTube. Now, somebody like me who has been on YouTube for literally over 10 plus years, it's 2025 now. I had my first channel way back when I was like 13 or 14 in like 2013. So I've been on YouTube really for 10 plus years, not consistently, like consecutively the whole time. But from having multiple different channels and multiple different niches, I learned one simple thing, which I think everybody should know. And that thing is effort doesn't always equate to views. And I'm going to break down exactly what that means. Now, a lot of times people think that, hey, if you have this really crazy and beautifully edited video, it has a plot line, you have a perfectly edited thumbnail, you have just the right text on it and the craziest background, and you have the most thought out title, that is going to equate to the more views. But I'm here to tell you that that's not actually the case, especially in this very current iteration of YouTube, where you do have creators just turning on the camera and talking about anything, talking about how YouTube is the best way to make money now. YouTube is in easy mode. I'm sure you've been seeing those videos go around. Just people talking about like whatever they have going on in their lives as well too. I've learned that effort doesn't always equate to views. I've seen people have really high production channels and really high production videos where they've had to, get 20 contestants to come on, and they have to go to a studio somewhere and have like a white background and have like a whole concept, whatever, and make a whole day out of shooting and get 500,000 views on the video. And then I've seen people do what I'm doing right now, turn on the camera, just talk about 10 or 20 minutes about whatever they have going on in their life. And same thing, get 500,000 views on that video. Now, let me ask you, if you could have either, which one would you prefer? Would you prefer to be the person that has to go out and you have to get 20 of your peers around you, or you have to hire 20 extras and you have to go to a studio and rent a space and do all these extra things and have all these different bells and whistles and jump all through these hoops just to, get some cameramen to come in and film the perfect video? Or would you rather build an audience by just being personable with them, turning on your camera, acting like this is a person, because I'm talking to a camera right now, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm talking to this camera as if it's like a person is right in front of me. Wouldn't you rather do that and still have things go great for you? Like, you could get the same amount of views on, I don't want to say a low effort video, but on a video that doesn't take having to do all these different things, For me personally, and for my YouTube channel, I really am doing it because I want to build an audience and a community with people who are interested in the same things as me. Like when I first started my YouTube channel, it was kind of strictly like a biohacking channel where I was talking about supplements. And then I grew to start adding like vlogs in there. Then I was doing different product reviews. And really for me, I love YouTube so much because the niche of my channel is quite simply just me being me. Now, not all of my videos go crazy. Again, I have 6,000 subscribers, which isn't the most subscribers in the world, but I can post a video tomorrow and it can still only get 30 views. A lot of times it does depend on the quality of the content that you're producing and really like the subject matter of what you're putting out there. If people are interested in it, all right, YouTube will take it up. But also right now, subscribers doesn't matter on YouTube. Like you could have literally a fresh new channel, and if you have a great video idea, you have a video that just resonates with a lot of different human beings, and a lot of times that comes from just being honest and transparent with folks, then that video is going to perform very well and it's still going to go up in the algorithm. I've seen YouTubers, even somebody like, for example, Hamza, he has 2 million subscribers And a lot of his last videos that he posted were only getting like 10, 20, 30,000 views. Now, still to a small YouTuber like you or I, you're like, oh, 30,000 views sounds good. But for somebody that has built an audience of 2 million subscribers, 30,000 views is not really a good engagement ratio. So not to diss bro or diss him or anything, but it just kind of goes to show that like you don't need a lot of these things. You don't need to have all these super crazy, high budget, high effort videos. You don't even need to have a lot of subscribers. Really, all you need to do is have like an iPhone or some type of camera where you can record yourself. I've even seen people freaking film videos on their laptop webcam cameras, and that's like an aesthetic. Like people like the low quality aesthetic. So guys, there's no excuse to why you can't do content, why you can't make content. Like everything works. So again, back to my original point, you don't need to have all these crazy high budget things to make a video. You can just have your phone or your laptop or some sort of camera, just turn it on and talk to it. In the beginning, I think it is a bit difficult because a lot of times people want to have something to talk about. They're like, what's my niche going to be? What's going to be the subject matter of my channel? But kind of just talk. I think another beautiful thing about YouTube as a platform is that the algorithm will highlight the videos that people resonate with. So what I mean by that is that whenever there's a topic that basically you need to talk about more, the algorithm's going to show you and it's going to tell you that because that video is going to clearly have more views. It's like if you post 20 videos and all of them get 1 view and one of them gets 200 views, then you know that video that got 200 views is on the path to which you should probably create more content about. So don't belittle or don't take lightly how good YouTube's algorithm is, and let that use you and kind of like lead you and guide you to what your channel should be about a bit more. So I really believe in you guys. The one thing that I wish I would have known is that more effort does not always equate to more views. Just start where you are and you'd be really surprised. You could have a video go viral, or just you could start to build an audience off of things that you would never imagine that people would be interested in. So just talk about your interests and then see, where it leads you, because people will resonate with some part of who you are. So comment down below if this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys need any other help with YouTube, I'm here to help you guys out. If you guys like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications because I do post videos every single day. And if this video resonated with you, check out this video about why it's a brilliant idea to start a YouTube channel, even if nobody watches your videos. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon. I post every day, so I'll see you tomorrow.